Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. What is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a narrowing of the arteries caused by a buildup of plaque. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients from your heart to the rest of your body. What causes atherosclerosis? Plaque buildup and subsequent hardening of the arteries restricts blood flow in the arteries, preventing your organs and tissues from getting the oxygenated blood they need to function. The following are common causes of hardening of the arteries: aging, high cholesterol. Diet. It is important to eat a healthy diet. The American Heart Association AHA recommends that you follow an overall healthy dietary pattern that stresses a wide range of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy products, poultry and fish without skin, nuts and legumes, non-tropical vegetable oils such as olive or sunflower oil. What are the symptoms of atherosclerosis? Most symptoms of atherosclerosis don't show up until a blockage occurs. The common symptoms include chest pain or angina, pain in your leg, arm and anywhere else that has a blocked artery, shortness of breath, fatigue, confusion which occurs if the blockage affects circulation to your brain, muscle weakness in your legs from lack of circulation. It is also important to know the symptoms of heart attack and stroke. Both of these can be caused by atherosclerosis and require immediate medical attention. The symptoms of a heart attack include chest pain or discomfort, pain in the shoulders, back, neck, arms and jaw, abdominal pain, shortness of breath, perspiration, lightheadedness, nausea and vomiting, a sense of impending doom. The symptoms of stroke include weakness or numbness in the face or limbs, trouble speaking, trouble understanding the speech, vision problems, loss of balance, sudden or severe headache. How is atherosclerosis diagnosed? A weakened pulse, an aneurysm, an abnormal bulging or widening of an artery due to the weakness of the arterial wall, slow wound healing which indicates a restricted blood flow. A cardiologist may listen to your heart to see if you have any abnormal sounds. They will be listening for a whooshing noise which indicates that an artery is blocked. Your doctor will order more tests if they think you may have atherosclerosis. Tests can include a blood test to check your cholesterol level, a Doppler ultrasound, a magnetic resonance angiography or MRI, or a computed tomography angiography, an electrocardiogram or ECG, a stress test, or exercise tolerance test. How is atherosclerosis treated? Medications. Medications can help prevent atherosclerosis from worsening. Medications for treating atherosclerosis include cholesterol-lowering medications, including statins and fibrates, angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors, which may help prevent narrowing of your arteries, beta blockers or calcium channel blockers to lower your blood pressure, diuretics or water pills to help lower your blood pressure, anticoagulants and antiplatelet drugs such as aspirin to prevent blood from clotting and clogging your arteries. Aspirin is particularly effective for people with a history of atherosclerotic cardiovascular diseases, for example, heart attack and stroke. An aspirin regimen can reduce your risk of having another health event. Surgery. Possible surgeries for treating atherosclerosis include bypass surgery, angioplasty, end arteriectomy, atherectomy. What complications are associated with atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis can cause heart failure, heart attack, abnormal heart rhythm, stroke, death. It is also associated with the following diseases. Thank you all. Have a nice day.